Good day to you all. Today we are going to see how to enter other balance figure which are available in our opening trial balance. Already we have seen how to create a new enter and their opening balances, entering opening balances, and secondly we have seen inventory item and their opening balances. Thirdly, we have seen how to create a new customer and their opening balances. Now, the next step, how to create a new general ledger account and entering their opening balance. So, this is what is a very important area. Under the chart of account, we can create a new general ledger account, or else there are some default accounts also available. We can use those accounts, right? Firstly, we have to see how to create a new account under chart of account. So, in the home menu, we can see there is a tab is called chart of account. This tab will explain, we can see, we can view and modify our accounts in QuickBooks. So, that is the purpose this chart of accounts is used. Okay, firstly we have to click this chart of account, and once we click that, you can notice this is the chart of account. The menus are here, right? The main menus are here. Okay, you can see there are a number of chart of accounts, general ledger account are listed here. Already we have created account receivable, assets account, right, and account payable account also. So, after this, what we are going to create first, for example, building account. For example, building account. I am going to create a new building into this account. So, how we can do? If you want to create a new general ledger, we have to click this account button is in the bottom, right? You can see in the bottom there is an arrow mark is called, also it's available. Once you click this arrow mark, you can notice that there are many tabs, sub tabs are available. One is a new tabs, edit account, delete account, make account inactive. So, if you want to create a new account, we can click the new button. This will guide us. This will guide us how to create a new account. How to create new account. And this edit account also will explain how to edit the accounts. How to edit the general account. Delete account. If any account is doesn't have any balances, we can delete this account. But if they have any amount in the account, we cannot delete the account, right? And sometimes if we want to make some account inactive, which are long time not used in the company, what we can do, make inactive, make this account to inactive mode, right? And other things are usual works, hierarchical view, flat view, customize columns, import from Excel, etc., etc. So, we are today basically we are going to see how to create a new general ledger account. So, firstly we have to click new. If we click new button, so this chart of account will direct us how to create it. Add new account will give us some direction. Choose account type. So, there are different types are available here. So, we can call it in other word categorize also. Income types, expenses type, and under that a fixed assets type, bank account, loan account, credit card account, equity account also. In addition to that, the third category, it's called other type also. If you click under the other type, there are many things are available. One is account receivable, are the current assets, are the assets, are the payable account, are the account payable, are the current liability, long term liability, cost of goods sold account, are the income account, and other expenses account. So these are the types are available, but today now we are going to see how to create a fixed assets. So building is come under the fixed asset, so we have to click this fixed asset. So once we click this fixed assets, so we can move in the right side. So there are explanations about the fixed assets. See here, fixed assets, this will track the value of significant items that have a useful life of more than 1 year. That's example is given here: building, land, machineries and equipment, and vehicles. So these are called fixed assets. So now we have to click the button is called continue. Once we click continue button, so it will give this a new dialog box is called add new account. So under the account type, it is already by default we have selected, and we have to enter the assets name here, building, for example building 1 or whatever the name we can give, and we have to give the descriptions about the building. So we have to give the building dash head office. I am putting the head office, and the note also. Yeah. How much the worth of that is the building. For that's the purpose we have to click enter opening balance. Before that, if we are having any information about this building, we can put under this note also. If we have any specific information about this building, we can put all that under this note, right? Okay. So then we have to click enter opening balance. So enter opening balance, a dialog box will give the two information about how to enter this opening balance. For example, 5 million worth of the building. So we have to feed the 5 million, and so this is the worth 5 million, and as of date, so we have to select the date 1st of January 2021. So once we select the date here, automatically you can see the amount. You have to verify the amount is correctly typed and click OK. Once you click OK, you can notice the amount is appeared in this next to the enter opening balance. Okay. After that, what we have to do it, we have to click save and close. So once we click save and close, you can notice, so this asset is listed in this balance column. And the secondly, for example, this building 1 may have accumulated depreciations amount, accumulated depreciations. So that how we can enter that accumulated depreciation amount. In the same window, we are going to use for entering the accumulated depreciation amount. So what we can do for that? So we have to click account, and again we have to click new. So the account is new account type is available. Again we have, if it is accumulated depreciation account, we have to enter under the fixed assets area. So we have to select under the fixed assets area and click continue. After click continue, it shows that building 1 accumulated depreciation account. Okay, so I have put the basic information here, accumulated depreciation, and even we can copy the account name also to the descriptions also, and after that we have to enter the opening balance. So here very carefully we should notice, right, if we have any accumulated balance amount, we should start with the minus, right? For example, we are having 500 or 300, 400,000, it is a accumulated figure, right? So we can put to the minus 400,000, and finally we have to select the date. Okay, once we select the date, we have to click OK, and after that again we have to click save and close. So these are the two accounts are created here, right? So the next the topic under the chart of account and the general ledger account, we can make some account to the group and some account under the subgroup account. We have to, you can notice here the chart of account in this your left side, all the accounts are listed in the left side in one order. So but we have here some accounts, for example building 1 accumulated depreciation account, building 2, again building 3, building 4, like that. If we are having two more accounts like that, we can group under one group heading, so that we are going to see how to create a group account. For example, we have to do the same way how to create a group account. If it is so, we have to click account. The same way we should follow to create assets or new any other general ledger account. Okay, click new, and this is going to be fallen under the fixed assets. Okay, we have to select the fixed asset and click continue, and under the fixed asset it is there. Account name is building. This is a building. For example, for understanding, I am going to put the name also building group, right? A building group. Okay. So after entering this, we have to copy this under the description and paste it. Don't enter any opening balance. So this building group is just heading only. It will not have any opening balance, so that we have to click save and close. So now I have created the building group account. It is listed under this chart of account, and then finally what we have to do it, how we are going to make the building 1 and the building 1 accumulated account to under the group heading, So we have to double click this building account, right, or else what we can do, go to click next, and we can click accounts and edit account. Simply we can click edit account. After editing, what we can do, there is a term is called sub account of. So we have to click this sub account of and select the building group. So this means this building 1 account is going to be fallen under the building group account, right? I'll show you here after save and close. So click save and close. You can notice here the building group is group heading, and after that the building 1 is sub account of building group. Now again we have to bring this building 1 accumulated depreciation under the building group account. So same way we have to do, we have to select this building accumulated depreciation account and come to the accounts and edit account. If we click edit, again this dialog box is appeared here, and select this sub account of building group, right? So if you click building group and click save and close, now you can notice these two accounts are listed under the building group. So this is what very simply it shows that how to create accounts or general ledger account in QuickBooks. And also we have seen today how to create a general ledger account and entering opening balances under the account. Okay, so this is what we have seen.